Hey, welcome to the Sawmill, guys. I'm Jerry from Bigelow Woodcraft. White pine on here today. We're going to cut into 3/4 inch boards, 3/4 by 7 inch. This is 10 foot 6, 16 and a half in both directions, 18, 18, 16 and a half, 18. Let's see. 16 times 0.7, 10, 70, 642, 111.2 inches, something like that. So we're gonna get a 12-inch cant. I need 1x7s, so I'm gonna have to come get my cant and take some 3/4 inch boards and cut them afterwards then, because they're gonna be 12 inches by 3/4. This job is for some wall covering in a guy's pole barn. He gave me these pines to mill up for him for an exchange of services. So we're gonna get this going. I have the Micron SW350 Pro Setworks I'm using right now. I'm still learning it. This is only the second day on it. Easy install, but I think it's going to revolutionize the way I do milling out here. The accuracy is very good. I'm just going to tell you that right now. If you watched last week's video or one of the videos showing it, I don't know if this will be after this video I did the other day, but if you've seen it, you already know that how accurate this is. This Setworks is put on professional mills all over the world by this company, Lytus, Lyuts, I believe is how it's pronounced. I'll put a link in the description. They even gave us a code for you guys. Bigelow_Woodcraft, all capitals, for 5% off. It's a deal I worked out with them to get this on this Frontier homeowner sawmill. So let's get this cut and see how it goes today. All right.
I have the Setworks programmed in such a manner that the stack of boards will stay on the mill. The carriage head will come up over the cant after each cut. I can also program it that it only goes up over the last board if you have a swamper as well, or it only goes up so high if you have a drag back feature as well.
$54. We're at $55. And with waning, we got about 70 boards so far ready for him. Those 5 on the conveyor need to be put back on the mill, but I'll do that when all the rest of the loads are done. So guys, that will do it. That works. Again, was really good. But hopefully you get outside. Take care. We'll see you out the mill next time.